something wrong?
Will you stop talking about the war?
Me? You started it?
We did not start it.
Yes, you did. You invaded Poland. Is there something wrong?
Will you stop talking about...
As you will have hopefully figured out from that famous comedic piece from Fawlty Towers, or may already be aware, the Nazi invasion of Poland was the last major event before the outbreak of World War II. We have two objectives today, Rennie. We need to know how the crisis over Poland started the Second World War and understand why Britain and France went to war with Germany in 1939, with our overarching question being, why did the Polish crisis lead to the outbreak of the Second World War? First thing I want you to do, nice and simple. You've got a documentary there to watch. Now, do make sure you only watch minutes 33 to 53 in the YouTube clip, and bullet point down the key facts. Some of this will be stuff that you've already done, and here's the important bit though, Year 10. I want you to pay particular attention to what they say about Poland, which mainly takes place between minutes 47 and 53. Any notes you have about Poland, highlight them, or if you haven't got a highlighter, just circle them or underline, and just make sure you're emphasizing them in your notes. Then, if you can, stick this timeline into your books and highlight the key points. So about the events in the last, particularly the last week or two before World War II broke out. And then as a challenge task, answer the question, what was the point of no return before war became inevitable? Was it the Czech crisis, the Nazi-Soviet pact, something else? When do you think war could not have been stopped? Then, and this is the really important bit, I want you to write out that exam question, just the question, don't have to answer it yet. The Nazi-Soviet pact was the main reason for the outbreak of the Second World War. How far do you agree with this statement? Explain your answer. Write that out and then print off or write out that table, copy out that table even, sorry, and fill in all the boxes, sorry. So you've got the reasons and factors down there on the left already filled in for you. Finish off what I've started writing under the points, and then give evidence, examples, sped, then explanation, analysis, and then links back to the question or links between the events and mini judgments. Okay? If you don't quite get that table finished off, that's fine. You can finish it off in tomorrow's lesson, at which point you'll be attempting this exam question. And at this point...
Well, this calls for a celebration. Well, this calls for a celebration.
Yes, because you have now finished the content side of this course, of all your Year 10 history. Okay, all we're going to do between now and the rest of the school year is consolidate and help you catch up and fill in gaps in your knowledge. And to have done that under a lockdown and all the challenges that have been thrown your way is seriously impressive. So well done, big pat on the back to all of you. Do feel free to email me with any questions that you have. Submit your work on Frog. Remember, the exam question that I set last week is due in on Wednesday, so try to get that in as quickly as possible. Best of luck. Well done, guys.